Pâte Sucrée is a sweet form of short paste. It is based on a ratio of 1:1:2, that is 1 part fat to 1 part sugar to 2 parts starch, bound with egg. In this example, we'll use 1 kg of unsalted butter, 1 kg of pure icing sugar, 2 kg of plain flour, and 300 grams of whole egg pulp. We will use the creaming method to make our short paste. This is one of 2 methods you can use to produce a short paste. To begin, cream the butter and sugar together by beating until the sugar is dissolved fully and the mixture is pale and light. Add the egg, then fold in the plain flour. When fully combined, you will have the completed paste. Rest the pâte sucrée in the fridge for 30 minutes. This allows any gluten present to relax, ensuring the pastry, when baked, isn't brittle. Make sure to wrap, label and date the paste before you leave it to rest. This paste can be kept in the fridge for several days or in the freezer for several weeks. If required for immediate use, after the first resting, roll out the pastry, line in the tin and let it rest for at least 30 minutes before baking.